How to log out of Bilibili. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to sign out or log out of the Bilibili account, then here is how you do it. First things first, open a web browser and type in bilibili.tv and make sure you're inside the home page. Here I'm logged into one of my current accounts. If you want to sign out of your account, go to the upper right corner once you're in this home page, and in the pop-up, click on Logout. Before logging out of your account, make sure you have your credentials so that you can get back to your account later whenever you want to get to the platform again. If you have the credentials with you, you can simply click Logout without any worries, and as long as you have your credentials, you'll be able to sign back in. So that's how you easily sign out or log out of Bilibili. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.